Cosmos Health is a pharmaceutical company which engages in the importation, exportation, distribution, and sale of pharmaceutical products. It is also involved in the research and development of its business units and acquisition of pharmaceutical companies. The firm offers over-the-counter drugs, branded and generic medicines, and dietary and vitamin supplements. With a market cap of only $12.53 million, we're back. From February 26, when we last covered ticker symbol COSM, we have had several requests, some from the same guy, yes bro, it's here, relax, to cover ticker symbol COSM. Now, this video is not going to be long. We covered everything that happened in last video alongside the CEO purchasing more ticker symbol COSM shares. We previously saw the volume pick up in the stock chart, and this thing at all-time lows around 74 cents, becoming a penny stock from being a much more expensive ticker. We have seen since October of 2022, on-balance volume has picked up and has consolidated to the highest it has ever been, which is a metric that we use to see how strong holders are holding the company, how strong the stock is being consolidated, it's being held in certain portfolios, which means that the on-balance volume shows that people are buying COSM and they're holding on to COSM. They bought back here and they held it along through December. They bought in December, they held it through January, and they bought in January, held all the way through 2023, and then purchased more in August, September of 2023, and have been holding ever since. So that is what we're looking at right now. Who is buying? Not just retail, institutions. This is the institutional ownership for ticker symbol COSM, gradually increasing since May of 2023. Up, and finally where we are now, March of 2024, the most purchasing that we have seen, nearly doubling positions from institutional ownership, from institutions, right, purchasing Cosmos Health. So this is where we stand, this is where we sit. Now that it's a penny stock, now that they're making moves, different moves, specific moves, institutions like this thing. It's looking more appealing. Now, if we take a look at the previous financials, we're not going to sugarcoat anything. This is a sponsored stock. Do your own due diligence. Revenue has increased up 7%. Net income down about 70. Diluted EPS up about 86, which is a good thing to see. Net profit margin down about 59. Net operating income down about 776. And the net change in cash up 151%. And the cost of revenue up 13.46%. Now, compared to the previous metrics, some numbers are much better. And some numbers are much worse. Most being much better. You may take a look now and say the net operating income is pretty bad, but then you look previously, no it's not, right? They are fixing the company, as we see. Now this is only one analyst, so take it with a grain of salt, but you're seeing a strong buy on Cosmos Health as well, giving it a 440% upside with a $4 price target, which we talked about in the last video. That $4 price target still actually sticks by the Taglick brothers. They reported this at 83 cents at the time. Now we're sitting at 74 cents. You can see the forecast for earnings per share and the revenue increasing for the forecast as well. This is where Cosmos Health sits. They previously completed an acquisition, which is also something to note. And as of right now, I would come over to their Twitter page and follow this because they drop news as soon as they have it. And you're not going to want to miss it, especially if you are in ticker symbol COSM. So you might ask, well, lottery stocks, where are we going to go from here? Well, we have that $4 price target on ticker symbol COSM. The stock was recently much higher than where it's at now, so it has unlimited room for upside. The question lies, what is the company going to drop next? What is the catalyst going to be that pushes us higher? As of right now, April 24th, we have earnings on Cosmos Health. Hopefully they have the company turned around and looking better. And as of right now, if you believe that that is a possibility, if you believe that that is going to happen and they are going to continue to thrive and innovate and grow the company, then April 24th is the date where you're late to enter, and it may be a positive catalyst for the stock. By that time frame, you could be looking at $1.70 all the way up to that $4 price target, and maybe even beyond that point. So as of right now, let me know your thoughts on Cosmos Health. This is the quick breakdown, the quick update on this ticker, this penny stock. If you are adding this, if you already hold it, let me know in the comments down below. Overall, guys, that is what I got for you for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching or found value out of the video. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.